In the previous sessions, we have learned how to use functions and solve different puzzles with the function blocks. Now, let's try to understand how to edit the existing function block in the artist lab. So for that, you go to code.org website, log into your account and click on create. You will see artist lab over there. So you click on artist and get inside the artist lab. Then you will find functions menu listed in this toolbox and click on functions. You will find variety of function blocks that are already existing in the artist lab. Let's pick up the function block that we have already used called draw a house, and we know that this function block is used to draw a house. Now you can add a length, say of 100, and the artist will draw a beautiful house which has a length of 100. Now, what if you want to draw a house using this function block, but a different kind of a house? Instead of the base being square, you want it to be rectangle and let the roof be triangular. How do we make changes in this function block? So there is a possibility of editing this function block using this blue little button over here called edit. Once you click there, you will find all the information related to this function block. Here is the name of that function. You can keep the name as it is, or you can also change it by simply rewriting the name. You can mention home, for example. And here below, you will find the code that was assigned to this function block called draw a house. Now it has been changed to home, and you will find the name has been changed here as well. Now, the first repeat block is to draw a triangular roof, and the second repeat block is to draw a square. Now, we know that the difference between a square and a rectangle is that square has all the equal sides separated by 90 degrees. But in a rectangle, which is also a enclosed shape with 4 sides, but this time the two opposite sides are equal and they are also separated by 90 degrees. So when we want the artist to draw a rectangular base, we will make changes in this repeat block. So let's try to change this code. Now we will make changes in the sides of this shape. So we'll go to actions and take move forward. And now instead of length, we want to change that length to be, say, length plus 50 pixels. The two opposite sides are equal. So one side is length and the next side is, say, length plus 50. And after drawing this side, we want the artist to turn right by 90 degrees. And we want the artist to repeat drawing these two sides 2 times because the rectangle has 4 sides. So the artist will draw one side which is of length, whatever length the user mentions, turn right, draw another side which is now different, which is length plus 50 pixels and turn 90 degrees. And then we'll repeat the same thing twice to draw a rectangle. Now you have made changes in the name of your function. You have also changed the piece of code that was assigned to the function. Now let's close and see if the artist draws the house as we want it to draw this time using a rectangular base. So let's close and you will see the name of the function block has been changed here. You can go to functions and instead of draw a house, now you will find this function block called home, and you can use length, say 100, and the artist has drawn a different kind of a house with a rectangular base and a triangular roof. So this is how you can make changes in the existing function blocks of the artist lab using this button called edit.